The Bissell Pet Hair Eraser Hand Vacuum is developed for pet parents to help make cleaning up after their pets easier. This lightweight and cordless handheld device allows you to clean up pet hair and dirt that collects on your furniture, carpet, in your car, or wherever your furry friends play. The detachable motorized brush helps capture more embedded dirt and pet hair, providing a deeper clean. The included crevice tool and upholstery tool can be used separately or stacked together to combine their usefulness. In addition, this hand vacuum has a two-stage filtration system designed to help extend the life of the filter and provide easier cleaning. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Works on many surfaces. Works great on upholstery, carpet, hard surfaces, and car interiors. Number 2. Bissell Pet Hair Eraser Hand Vacuum is cordless to clean wherever your pet goes. Number 3. The motorized foot provides powerful suction for a deeper clean. Power rating: 14.4 volts. Number 4. The crevice tool helps clean hard-to-reach areas and tight spaces. Telescoping extension wand. Number 5. Upholstery tool cleans soft surfaces and furniture with felt by attracting more pet hair. Easy to empty dirt bin to help get rid of pet hair easily. Number 6. Developed for pet parents to help make cleaning up after their pets easier. And so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. Do I need to buy a battery charger, or does the vac plug-in which charge the attached battery? I saw something about an adapter. I'm confused. Answer: this model comes with rechargeable batteries already installed and a charging cord. Everything is included, just charge it up and vacuum. Question number 2. What kind of battery? Answer: this hand vacuum has a NIMH 14.4 volt battery. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.